upcoming movies. Let the work start first. There are 3 films that I've signed, just waiting for the work to start. Things to get back to normal. We have no idea, no clue when things are going to get normal. Whenever that is. Yes, I've already shot for few, uh, but they all now are on hold. So very soon, I think the shoots will start, and then then the official announcement will be made. Oh my God, there's so many comments that I can't even read. So guys, tell me, how's your lockdown going? I'm going to do more live. I'm going to do a proper live very soon, where I can interact with few of them. I can pick few of them and I can chat with you all. Not today. I just came in randomly today. I just thought, let me just say hi. Who is this? It's Lax. Thank you so much. What's my beauty secret? Nothing. I should ask my parents. Absolutely nothing. Hi, Jaggi. Good to see you live. Hi, Prabhu. Hi, Ajesh. Guys, I can't speak in one language. Let me keep this neutral, which is English, because there are people across different states who are online, would not understand the language. So, sorry, I can't speak in Tamil. Have I got vaccinated? Not yet, because there are a lot of people who are still on hold. So I'm like patiently waiting. I'm not in hurry. So eventually, yes, we'll all be vaccinated. It's just that I don't want to rush it right now, because I want other people who are not getting doses, like who are on hold for the second one, let them finish it first and then. Huh? Oh God, some comments are so funny. What language is this? Guys, speak in English. Ro. By the way, Rohan has found his new skills. Ro, should I mention what that is? Why don't I work in some web series? I think I just worked in one of the web series, which is very popular, called Poison 2. I guess that released last year. Did really well. Yeah, very soon. I need to first complete my films, the commitments that I have. What's that? Thank you, Raghu. My workouts are amazing. Oh, thanks. Trying my best to stay fit. What I'm eating? I'm eating sprouts. Guys, it was not my birthday. My birthday was in May. It so happened that I didn't get time to post videos. So I posted it yesterday. But everyone is thinking my birthday is in June. But never mind. I'm loving the wishes. You guys can send me cakes also. But yeah, it's not my birthday. My birthday, like most of them know, my birthday is in the month of May. So yeah, I don't know what's the confusion. I even clarified this. Guys, I can't speak in one language. I'm so sorry. That I'll do a separate session. Shut up, bro. Thank you so much, Anant Infinity. So guys, this was just a random live that I wanted to do. Hi DJ. Some people are asking me, can I speak Tamil? Some people are asking me, can I speak Malayalam? Of course I speak all these languages, but I can't stick to one when I'm on live chat. Thank you, Linson. Oh my God, Jay! Hi! Rockstar! Actor Jay is online. DJ, आ जाओ. And you only get the cake. How are you, Jay? Been a while seeing you online. It's good to see you here. So guys, tell me, how is your lockdown going on? Let me see who's doing what. Thank you, Pritish. Looks like Jay and me are like friends from childhood. Hi, Amit. We are like childhood friends. Feels like that. When we did Vamanan together, we both were kids. And the other day we were laughing about it. Hi, Vinu. Oh, everyone is online today. Vinu, a lot of people are waiting for Cinderella. Please tell them, when are you releasing? Amit. Yeah, hi. From Amchi, Mumbai. Oh, am I? Arif? Wow, that's good to know. Amit, you want to know everything, right? I'm having some healthy sprouts. Oh, totally, Amit. I can eat, I can drink, I can just be me and just go. That's why I think I came. I just thought that I'll do a live chat session when I'm eating and chilling. Jay is saying love you all. So Vinu is saying he's going to be releasing Cinderella once the theatres are open. Guys, so whoever wanted to know when is Cinderella releasing, that's the answer. Hi Rajkumar from Singapore. Hi. Okay guys, there's so many messages. I'm so sorry if I have not been responding to most because there's so many. I hope you understand my problem. Hi Mukesh. So I see a lot of people from Singapore today. I love that place. I love that city. Alright guys, I gotta go. Maybe I'll connect with you all soon for a proper chat session with people. So it was nice coming on live and seeing you all, chatting with you all. Have a good day.